Hello everyone, this is clippings of my whole video of best midcap funds for 2023. You can watch the whole video on my channel. Link is attached in the description and also in the I button. Following are the minimum criteria for the funds to qualify for the best performing funds of 2023. First one, AUM should be more than 500 crores. Second one, fund age should be at least 3 years. And the third criteria, funds rating should be 4-star or 5-star. So now let's look at the selected funds and its basic details. So here is the list of top 10 selected funds based on the above criteria. Now let's look at the returns. This is the returns table of these 10 selected funds for last 3 years. You can pause the video and have a detailed look at the returns, removing 3 funds which have the least performance. So now we are left with 7 funds. Here, check their 3 years performance. Now let's look at the risk ratios of these 7 funds. Here is the sector allocation of all these top 7 funds. Now let's look at the top 3 funds. My first pick for 2023 would be Quant Midcap Fund. My second pick would be PGIM India Midcap Opportunities Fund. And my third pick would be SBI Magnum Midcap Fund. Please note that rest 4 funds are also good and if you are invested, you can continue your investment in these funds. You can watch the complete video on my YouTube channel. Link is attached in the description and in the I button. Thank you.